You may know the top-tier sales strategist, Myron Golden. He presented this formula for the accumulation of assets, which is wealth. He indicated that assets equals mindset times skill set times tool set. If you have a lack in any of the factors, you will lack assets. I know it's hard to accept. Most people want to quickly acquire the so-called secret to wealth and then rapidly become wealthy. Unfortunately, these people wind up constantly chasing one shiny object after another, never reaching their goal. If you want to upgrade your mindset, flesh out your skill set, and accumulate a better tool set, stick with me. We'll work on improving all these areas so you actually will build your wealth. Let me know who you are below, and together, we'll make your transformation a reality. When you confirm your email, just reply to my welcome email, and I'll create an account for you in Stack My Videos. This app allows you to group videos on a page that have a message you want to convey. Take a look at the mindset videos you'll find in the welcome email. You'll absolutely love this app.